see how deep this is and see if our boat can go in here.
So for our boat to go in there, I think the water is going to be up to his hip. Oops, must have something in his pocket. Oh. That's it?
Cold.
Huh?
That's cold.
You want me
First,
to
I'm an old man. Give me my tape measure there, will you?
where is it?
Right underneath Trooper. I'll measure at the end of... Oh!
I'll walk
Thanks
you.
for the kiss. This is the subject of our video at Otego Lake. Wanted to make sure we could launch this boat there at their boat launch. This is a 27-foot bayliner, and we have launched it before at Higgins Lake. I kind of like to go over to Otego Lake. And I've got this small 6-horse motor here to be an auxiliary engine on the back. And you can see right now this line is about 3 foot off the ground. It's a little less than that. And when I put the motor down, it sits right on the ground. So I would say sitting in the water, she's in about 3 feet. So that was my concern. And you can see the little outboard here sets up a lot higher. I don't know how well that outboard will move us. It's a longer shaft motor. So I'm thinking it'll be down in the water far enough to move us. And so if you have a problem because the water's too shallow or something like that, you can pick up the outdrive and get back in with the little outboard. And so with the outdrive picked up, you only need 1.5 feet, 2 foot of water. So anyway, hope that explains it. And thanks for watching. God bless. And we'll catch you later. We'll get another video out real soon that's a little bit longer. Actually, the next video is going to be on the sawmill. So bye for now.
Well, that's good.
Deep enough.
Okay.
That's the only thing I was concerned about, whether it'd be deep enough to launch or not.
I don't know how to turn this off.
Oh, okay. I'll get it.
Here comes, what do you call him?
Ranger?
Yeah, I was thinking warden.
Huh.